Hello, welcome to RJTI Charts. Today we are going to discuss about Gartner IT. Our disaster forecast finally came true. Please watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.
Gartner. Our disaster forecast finally came true as expected from RJTI charts algorithms. No one believed us and continued to buy after our warnings that Gartner was a disaster awaiting. And it seemed preposterous that a $26 billion capitalized firm at the time of our warning and had increased up to $39 billion cap would now have lost $18 billion in capitalization. But this is what has happened, and let us show you why our algorithms remain our guide for entry-exit, even in the midst of when those on Wall Street influence you to buy or are unaware of the troubles that lie ahead sometimes for a particular stock or markets in general. We warned January the 8th, 2024 at 7:25 p.m. Gartner is a disaster awaiting. On February the 1st, 2024 at 2:34 a.m., we sent out RJTI charts versus Netflix and IT versus TOT and Treasury yields. We projected. Then there's the issue of Gartner, which was advocated that this one is a Humpty Dumpty the higher it went. But with this sell signal generated January 31, 24 offers the ideal that a short-term downside target potential is $428 to $431 per share. But folks, we understand we've been waving the red flag on this one for some time, and we even have a video on YouTube from about 8-9 months ago that describes our deepest feelings. Gartner is another of those stocks that is a disaster awaiting of great proportion, and a 40% decline is to occur. And yet we might be a little generous with our expectations, for 48 to 51% is a possibility too. Our algorithm suggests that holders of Gartner between the 4 color lines displayed are at risk, for we see declining prices coming. Those price levels are $313.97, $264.10, $198.22, and $160.29. Also, here's the videos that we put out on YouTube pertaining to Gartner. 1. Gartner is headed for trouble. 2. Is Gartner still in trouble? Although this took some time to unfold, but yes, the disaster we expected has come. It is unarguable that our foresight based from our algorithms have given us the reward of knowing that all trend buying isn't good all of the time. At the time, Gartner was trading at $360 and as much as $450 a share during our warnings. And fund money managers and investors in general were buying even higher levels. I imagine they didn't think that this stellar company was headed for trouble as we had forecast. But let's take a look at the 4 color lines in trade price as of August the 8th, 2025. Did disaster come as we had warned? Well, as you can see, our warning in 2023, our warning in 2024, and looking over to the right, you can see that price has moved within our 4 colored lines, and there is more than likely more to come. 57% decline from year 2025 high, 49% decline from our year 2024 warning, 30% decline from our year 2023 warning, 18 billion of capitalization gone as of now.
It is easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees. But it is not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your Ramo today. Visit www.RJTICHARTS.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.